Most business owners build campaigns based on ideas. Let's do a Valentine sale. Let's try reels. But what if you built your next campaign using math, your actual results, instead of guessing? That's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how to take the numbers you calculated in the last video and turn them into a simple, profitable campaign you can actually launch this week. First, a little bit about me. My name is Jennifer Anderson. I'm the founder of 1330 Creative. I've built two six-figure companies back to back, and I spend every day helping business owners turn numbers into money. I'm 10x certified digital marketer and Meta certified pro. And everything you learn today comes straight from what I use inside client campaigns. So let's get a little nerdy, but in a fun way. Let's talk about a recap of what we talked about in the last video. You learned marketing math, how to calculate your cost per lead, cost per acquisition, and return on ad spend. Today, we're putting those numbers to work because numbers alone don't make you money. Strategy does. Think of your metrics like a GPS. They tell you where you are and what direction to go, but you still have to drive. Step one, we need to start with our goal. This is where most campaigns fail before they even start. They try to do too much. I want to grow my following, build awareness, get leads, and make sales. No, just pick one. If your goal is leads, build for leads. If it's sales, build for sales. If it's awareness, build for reach. Your wheel only spins when every spoke moves in the same direction. Now go back to your marketing math numbers. Which stage needs improvement? If your CPL is high, your lead magnet or targeting might need work. If your CPA is high, your offer or sales page might need improvement. If your ROAS is strong, double down. You found your winner. Don't build campaigns blindly. Let your data point you to the leak that needs fixing. Next, map the customer journey for this campaign. Ask yourself, how will people discover this offer? How will I keep them interested? What makes them want it? How do they take action? And how will I collect feedback? Your campaign isn't one post. It's the whole path someone takes from I've never heard of you to take my money. Real quick, in the middle of this, if you're loving this series, hit like and subscribe. It tells YouTube you're done guessing and ready to market like a pro. And don't worry, I don't use buzzwords. I just share systems that work. Now we decide which channels make sense for this campaign. Look at your marketing wheel. Which channels have already performed well in your numbers? If your best ROI comes from Facebook ads, start there. If your email open rates are strong, use email to re-engage your audience. The rule is simple. Feed what's working, fix what's not, and skip what's irrelevant. Marketing math tells you where the money already lives. Now we need to build your offer funnel or your campaign funnel. Let's say you're a local service business. Awareness. You run a short video ad showing a common problem you solve. Interest. You offer a free checklist or a guide in exchange for an email. You send 2 to 3 nurture emails with value and testimonials. You invite them to book a call or claim a discount. You follow up, get reviews, and use those to fuel your next campaign. That's it. One clear path, one goal, one offer. Do the marketing math before you get started. Don't spend a single dollar, do the math first. Let's say you expect to spend $1,000 on ads. Your current cost per lead is $10, so you'll get about 100 leads. You close 10% of those, so it's 10 customers, and your offer is a $500 offer. That's $5,000 in sales on a $1,000 ad spend. That's a 5x return on ad spend. Now you know before you even launch whether it's a profitable campaign and where to adjust if it's not. That's the power of marketing math. It takes emotion out and puts confidence in. Once your campaign is live, track the same numbers again. Is your cost per lead going up or down? Did your cost per acquisition improve? Is your ROAS holding steady? If it's working, scale it. If it's not, adjust one variable at a time. You'll never know which variable made the difference if you adjust more than one at a time. Don't rebuild the whole house just because a light bulb went out. Let's walk through that again with real numbers. You spend $1,000, you get 100 leads at $10 each, close 10 at $500, and bring in $5,000. That's a clean 5x ROAS. But here's where most people stop. Don't. Use those results to build your next campaign smarter. Maybe next time you test a second ad set to lower cost per lead to $8. Now your profit margin widens without any extra work. Every profitable campaign becomes a repeatable system. Write down what worked. Which ad format performed the best? Which message got the most clicks? Which emails converted? That's your campaign playbook. You're building it step by step right here on your own. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. You just keep tightening the bolts. Let's wrap it up. 1, define one goal. 2, use your marketing math to find the focus. 3, choose your channels. 4, map the customer journey. 5, do the math before you launch. And 6, track and refine. That's it. That's how simple campaigns can become profitable systems. If you want to plug in your numbers into an actual plan, grab the Marketing Math and Campaign Builder worksheets below. It walks you step by step through setting a goal, mapping the customer journey, protecting profit, and tracking results. And book a call with our team. We want to help you and look forward to all the amazing things you'll create. We'll see you there. And remember, marketing isn't magic, it's math that makes money.